Are you ready? Yes. Let's go. You want to go in the garden? Look how tall the bee balms are. They're like twice as tall as last year. Like, this is my eye level. And this is Cedric's mug compared to the bee balms. Look, so big. Oh, he looks like he has hands up. He's like, hello. You like the cut grass, Cedric? It's so much easier to walk now. This is almost flowering. It's gonna look so beautiful. A little morning grass facial. Look how big the daylilies are compared to Cedric. It's giant. These are gorgeous. I like the little frills. Looks like stylish daylilies. And here we have so many, I think they're daisies. There's been a little bit of movement, but not gonna disturb this area. Probably just sleeping. This one, it looks like a raspberry model. Look at it. Isn't it gorgeous? Gorgeous raspberry, 10 out of 10. It's perfect. You found yourself a shady corner. Look at the size of our first cucumber. It's so big. I think in a few days we should eat it. Let's get it a bit fatter.
I think gravity helps it grow.
Yeah. I don't want it to grow too big because I want it to start producing more. Our first strawberry is getting red. Almost. So exciting. Take. Lemon. Poi l'ovio. Yeah. Okay, Cedric, let's go in and have breakfast.